Praise with Jesus Christ, now and forever. Laudetur Jesus Christus, Semper Laudetur. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ciao, I am in Nettuno, Italy. And bago po magsimula ang aming conference, ay minabuti ko pong dalawin muna syempre ang ating patron saint sa Santa Maria Goretti. I am here in Nettuno, Italy. As you can see, it is by the sea and it is the Mediterranean. Ito pong coast na ito ay Mediterranean Sea. And just right there at my back is the Church of Santa Maria Goretti. And pupuntahan po natin ang Basilica of Santa Maria Goretti and the Basilica of Our Lady of Graces. We are so blessed to be able to visit her. So sasama ko po kayo sa akin pong pagbisita sa ating mahal na patron saint, Santa Maria Goretti. Let's go po. Join me in praying for the intercession of Santa Maria Goretti. Pinagdadasal ko po kayo dito sa harap ng kanya nakahimlay ng katawan. We ask the Santa Maria Goretti for healing, for forgiveness, for the strength to forgive, to ask forgiveness as well. We ask Santa Maria Goretti to grant healing to our homes, to our hearts.